Hello, this is Brother Joseph. This is part 3 of the habit. This part we're going to be covering Luke, the back. Again, we divided into 4 pieces, designated a piece for each part of the body: Mark, Luke, Matthew, and John. There are 40 buttons. In Luke we have 10 buttons and 26 slits. And of the 4 pieces, here is just a brief sketch of Luke and what it will look like. And here we have the button placement. Let me get this straight. We can see the top part of the graph. The one above is for the feet. The numbers on the side are inches. The number on the top represents corresponds to the across numbers. The one on the left corresponds to the down numbers, down across the pattern. You see the slits across here, slits here, those will go over your shoulders, and then you have a slit and a row of buttons for the back. And here we have the cloth. Let me back this up. This will go in the back, this will fold over, and here you have the slit with the buttons along the back. This is my cloth. This is Luke. Okay, and that is end of part 3. Part 4 we will talk about Matthew, which is the front.